Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic Facebook lead ad. And by the end of the day, you will have all the insights you need to. So grab a seat, hit the like button, and let's get started. So we have to connect the Facebook lead ad form to the Bittrex 24 and we have to search the contact center on the given search bar. After clicking on the contact center, here the Facebook lead ad option is available. We have to just click on the Facebook lead ad option and we have to click on the create form option. After clicking on the create form option, we have to just select the Facebook lead form and now we have to connect the Facebook to our CRM. By clicking on the connect option, we can connect our Facebook to the CRM. We have to just click on the next option and a pop-up screen will be visible to you. Now you have to log in your account and you have to click on the continue option and click on the next option. Here your business portfolio and the Facebook page, the ad account and the meta pixel all are available. So please select the Facebook page on which ad are running and the business portfolio on which ad are running. So click on the continue option. After clicking on the continue option, you have to click on the next option and here now your account is going to be linked to the CRM Bittrex 24. Now we just have to click on the done option and now our Facebook is connected with the Bittrex 24. We had to just select the page on which ad is running, as here the page is showing gospel evening, and after selecting the page we have to select the form. After we have select the form, all the fields are available and we have to select the fields like here the email is shown, so we select the email option. The next is the full name. We have to select the name field and we can select the name field, and just like that we have to select the other fields also. And in the CRM entities we have to select the lead option, and in the other settings we can name our form and differentiate from the other forms, and we can add the responsible person, and we have to just only have to save our form. So after saving the form, all the leads filled by the clients on the Facebook ad will be redirected to the CRM. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below and I will see you in the